In front of me is INFINIX Note 30 VIP, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and tap on Bluetooth section available here at the top. Now, use gray switcher next to Bluetooth to activate it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one you want to connect to. Let's try again. Now we use this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to enable or disable this option, and then hit pair at the bottom right corner. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or if you are trying to connect to another smartphone or to a tablet, connect it manually on a second device. Either way, as you can see, mine were successfully connected. To manage connection to any paired device, use gear icon next to it, and then decide what you wish to do, like connect to reconnect, or forget. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!